Naturally, you have already heard how hot this real estate market still is in 2022. Many of my past clients and friends have been reaching out to me to see what this all means for them. Several have wanted to sell their home, yet if you're like them, they've been a little concerned and worried about listing it because they're afraid they won't find a new one in time. They'll have to compete against cash buyers, or worse, about getting stuck with 2 house payments. I have great news for you. You can list your home and protect yourself from having 2 house payments or being without a place to go. And yes, you still can compete with those all cash buyers. Find out the innovative ways that the Swick Real Estate Group can help you get to your next home. I'm always happy to hear from you, even if you are just curious. So please visit deniseswick.com or call and text direct at my line at 937-621-7454. And I really look forward to hearing from you.